Hi everyone, this is Bob from Waytime Machinery. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to showcase our tube automatic hairpin bend machine for the evaporator coil and condenser coil making. On this machine, we equipped with tube size. Tube outer diameter is 12.7mm, with center hole distance is 31.75. Machine equipped with 8 lanes and with 8 tubes motorized decoder. That means total 8 tubes can be bending in one cycle. This machine we have finished tested and coming to deliver to America. Next, let me show you how this machine running.好了，师傅，可以了，可以了。